We continue to get you all the updates about the Delhi elections, and just ahead of the upcoming Delhi elections, the Supreme Court on Monday came down heavily on the state governments for allocating funds for election freebies while on the same time neglecting the payment of salaries and pensions to judges. Now, a bench comprising of Justices B.R. Gawai and A.G. Masi was hearing a plea by the All India Judges Association filed in 2015, which raised concerns over inadequate salaries and retirement benefits provided to justices in the country. The top court observed that state governments seem to have money to provide freebies to people during elections but cry about financial crunch when it comes to paying salaries and pensions to judges of the district judiciary. Citing recent examples, the bench also pointed at Maharashtra's Ladki Bahin scheme announced by the BJP-led Mahayuti and also similar financial promises made by Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress in Delhi as well to win elections. The court also raised concerns over meager pension rates for district judges, with an amicus curiae also suggesting better pay for a more diverse judiciary.
It's clearly the judiciary versus state governments over freebies, and that too at a time when various mainstream political parties are promising freebies ahead of the Delhi elections. The Supreme Court has said that the governments have money to pay freebies, but as far as payment of arrears, payment of pension arrears and retirement benefits of subordinate court judiciary judges are concerned, they say they have no money, and Supreme Court questioned why is this happening. This was when Attorney General R. Venkatramani, who appeared for the centre, cited that perhaps financial constraints may be the reason why the states are not paying the dues to the judges. And Supreme Court repeatedly questioned. Way back in May 2023, Supreme Court had given last chance to several defaulting governments to pay the arrears and salary as per the second National Judicial Pay Commission recommendations. But even now, that has not been done. The Supreme Court very clearly pointed to the Ladli Behna Yojana of the Maharashtra government, and also the promise being made by several parties like Aam Aadmi Party promised 2,100 rupees to women, and also referred to the 2,500 rupees some party has promised to women in Delhi per month. Remember, as per the scheme announced by Congress, they had announced that rupees 2,500 per month will be paid to the women in Delhi. Remember, on August 2023, August 2024, last year, the Supreme Court had even summoned chief secretaries of 16 states and 2 union territories, as after repeated directions, the states and UTs had not paid the dues to the judges. And even now, even yesterday, when the matter was taken up, the situation remains the same. That is why the Supreme Court had come down heavily, asking the states have money to pay freebies. The parties have think they have money to promise freebies ahead of elections, but as far as payment of salary and pension dues and retirement benefit of lower judiciary judges are concerned, they don't have money. So very serious questions posed by the Supreme Court as far as the freebies controversy is concerned.